Latest on Tropical Storm Michael, which is much weaker this morning with winds of 50 miles per hour and a pressure of 986 millibars. At 9 AM Eastern Time, October 11th, it was a 34.3 north, 81 degrees west. So with the wind threat starting to decrease, the rain threat is going to be a bigger threat right now for the Carolinas in particular, with up to 7 inches expected in some parts of those states. Right now you can see it moving through South Carolina, 21 miles northeast of Columbia, 65 south of Charlotte, 132 from Fayetteville, 169 from Raleigh, and 318 from Norfolk, Virginia. Somewhere near there is where it's expected to emerge off the coast of the US and off to the northeast. Tropical storm warnings remain in effect from Altamaha Sound to Duck, North Carolina, and a storm surge watch for the Outer Banks, Ocracoke Inlet to Duck. Of course, all the other warnings now discontinued. So this is what the latest GFS model is showing for the next few days. You can see a lot of rain, most of it, most of the winds actually concentrated to the south, and to a lesser extent the rainfall as well, but lots of flooding concerns even north of the track as well, with flash flood warnings in several locations, including I believe Columbia. So there's a pretty serious situation developing in the Carolinas. Once again, an area threatened and affected severely by Florence last month. Well, if the storm moves back over the waters, sea surface temperatures are marginal at best, around 25 or 26 degrees off the coast there, so not much chance for Michael to re-intensify when it moves off the coast. You can see here it turning post-tropical, and only then will it be able to re-intensify as it sweeps through Atlantic Canada just to the south, but most of the winds will be displaced to the south as well, so the threat to the northeast of the United States and Atlantic Canada is pretty low. The winds could get up a little bit, but tropical storm force winds are very unlikely north of the Delmarva Peninsula. And just to put that and emphasize that onto this imagery, these are the chances of tropical storm force winds: 85% in Savannah and Charleston, 35% in Wilmington only, 62% in Norfolk, and 7% in Atlantic City. Well, this is what the models look like right now apart from the GFS. You can see all the others there as well presented. The HWRF and HMON actually take it back to hurricane status, but not as a tropical hurricane. It will be post-tropical by then, moving through as a extratropical cyclone. Wind shear is going to be on the rise, so its tropicality will be questioned in the next 24 hours, and that post-tropical transition will likely take place. As a subtropical cyclone, the storm could reach Western Europe. Ironically, Atlantic City is lower on the percentage chances than some parts of Western Europe, at that 7% there. So this is the latest imagery, day just dawning over the storm once more, and you can see its movement over the last few hours towards the northeast. Not much on the southern side of the storm right now, except winds, so it looks like a lot of rain is displaced to the north at the moment in regards to its central core. Not much left of it. Dry air coming in behind the storm, much cooler air as well, I believe, and this is really what we're looking at right now. This storm has been a roller coaster ride, and it's ending soon. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.